I got diagnosed with myasthenia gravis, which is a very rare neuromuscular condition. I was an athlete in the past, and then I started noticing things not working. And people would ask me, "So how do you feel, Tom?"
Today's conversation is part of our thought leadership initiative From Silo to Synergy, redefining healthcare research ecosystems. We are honored to welcome Thomas Bartlett, a myasthenia gravis patient advocate and digital health advisor.
This is a great opportunity to discuss that.
How your personal experience with myasthenia gravis has shaped your mission to amplify the patient voice in healthcare research.
I wouldn't know how to answer that question because I didn't have anything to provide an assessment of that. No data points, nothing was data driven. So I work with a company that, in the sense of wearables, it is intelligent apparel. So to help people that had, say, ALS, they create structured apparel that's also collecting data in real time. So something that supports somebody that struggles, say, with walking, so specialized shoes, and you can collect that data, see the impression of your foot, your sole, your heel, all of that data is being collected and then delivered up into a cloud environment for analysis. And this is where you can look at AI, machine learning, deep learning, looking at all those tools to provide insights.
How do you see technology helping patients take a more active role in research or disease management?
And that's really what my passion is today. I use the word automagically. You need to measure something in a patient in real time. Honestly, we can't have them touch a keyboard. We can't have them do anything. That's the ultimate goal. I work with a company on the West Coast that when I speak to them, the founder, she's always recording my voice so she can do the comparison and look back to how was I feeling that day. She can use the frequencies in my voice to actually understand the impact. And she does this, her technologies does it for depression, a number of other indications that are out there. Diabetes is another one that they can actually do diagnosis just through a voice interaction. Then you use the technologies for video and you look at facial tics or the way somebody might be representing their face at the time. Then you can do digital measurements and then you can do comparative differences. And this takes the requirement of the patient needing to do something out of the equation. And this is where I keep speaking to the real smart people, pharmaceutical companies, research institutions. These are the things that are going to make a difference in 5 years or 10 years. That when we get to an environment, then we take that data that we're collecting, and then we can look at what are we doing in the development of new therapies and work our way toward precision medicine.
Could you share an example from your advocacy work that best demonstrates the power of authentic patient-clinician collaboration?
10,000 rare diseases, there's only 5% that have therapies FDA approved. There are 3 or 4 FDA approved today for myasthenia, and there's another dozen in the pipeline. The value of a neurologist trying to spend an hour with a patient, that's hard. So if they can begin pointing to these environments that have accurate clinical data and real world data, patient driven data, that's going to be very, very important for the future.
Very well said. Thank you so much for all of your insights.